Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art. And for today's video, since the new Street Fighter is almost out by Capcom, Street Fighter 6, I decided to draw Ryu. And although this is an old drawing, I decided to fix it up in my Procreate app using my iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil 2. And originally, I drew this on black paper using white charcoal and white color pencil. And if you haven't already checked it out, the last Street Fighter drawing that I did was back when Guile's new design was revealed, and I drew that in my tiny sketchbook, so go ahead and check that one out. And although Ryu has a brand new design where he's super buff, he's a lot older and he has a beard, I decided to go for his older look, his classic look, from way back in Street Fighter 2 days. And like I said earlier, this is in his classic pose before he's fighting, with his arms together and just bracing himself before a fight. And way back when I did this is one of my first times drawing on black paper with white charcoal and white color pencil, and this was really cool because you're drawing in the negative, so that was fun to do. This is where you kind of have to focus on the highlights, and the black paper has to be the main middle tone. For example, his skin color, his hair, his bandana. So you kind of have to think outside of the box and just slowly but carefully use the white to do highlights and all the middle tones. And the effect is really cool because the paper also ends up being the heavy dark shadows, almost like a comic book style and anime style with heavy outlines. So I had fun with this one. So yeah, go ahead and check out this time-lapse video of Ryu. And comment down below if you're excited for Street Fighter 6 and who's your favorite Street Fighter character. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you later. Bye.
Yeah.